Hello guys, on the road. Long time no see. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are heading towards Chikmagalur. It's already been 6 months, we have not headed anywhere, so that's the reason we are going now. So I just left almost half an hour before my hometown, and I'm near to almost I've left Nittur, and I'll be reaching Tiptur as soon as possible within half an hour, I think. So probably my ETA says to Chikmagalur is 4 hours 16 minutes. Trying to match up the Google time. Man, it's so tiring days all these days. And we have 1 hour relaxation. We have booked some homestay there. I don't remember the name. When I go reach there, I'll definitely tell you the name. Like, so the construction has been continuing between, like, it's 4 years from now, 2 to 3 years from now, it's not been finished. They are making road from Tumkur to Shimoga. Fuel thing done, air checked, and we just left early. So it's my fault. Still so many things are going on there. Construction ways. Oh my god, they're doing some sort of stuff here. We need to reach Arsikere first, then we'll be taking the diversion towards Chikmagalur. And we have traveled almost 115 kilometers, and we are left with almost approximately 70 or 75 kilometers, I believe. Running consistently, and these guys who are driving, please note them, check how they behave, how they do. From that time they're, no, see how they're playing. Note down the number, please. They're playing like anything. They're not even conscious, not even wearing the helmet. They're not even, doing, there doesn't know what even they're doing. Check them out. They're not even serious about what they're doing. See. If you can check that out. Man, never do this while you're riding. It's a bike, it's only your life, man. Never end like that. And not even wearing the helmet, and not even wearing the safety gears. Guys, right now I'm shooting on my phone itself. You know what? The place is really amazing. It's really amazing. There's my friend Dinakar, and I'll show you the view right now. This place is for dinner, lunch, and everything. This is so beautiful, man. Place is mesmerizing, and this is the place we are staying. I'm feeling pretty shy because after so many days, I'm vlogging, and this is where we have parked our vehicles. I think so. Like, I can show you in the morning. Now it's impossible for me to show you. This is how we came, and that is a campfire spot over there. I'll show you once I reach there. Let's see what is there for dinner. Okay. Ketchup things there, fruits, man. Okay, plates. ಬಾಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು That is meta parotta la? Okay. Sides
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ವೆಜ್
ಚೂರು ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಕು.
ಆಲೂ ಜೀರಾ
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ for taste. Veg biryani. Veg biryani followed by white rice. And then? No. Chicken biryani. No curd rice? Illa? Okay, fine. Marvelous. So for dinner, what I've did is I've taken some fruits, followed by methi paratha, followed by some jeera aloo and some curry. That's it. Morning guys, it's next day in the morning and we just woke up right now. And this is I'll give you the room tour within 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Right now I'm making coffee for me and my friend. It's here. I'll be doing it. It's too cold here. So guys, now I'll take you to the room tour. Sorry for the mess what we have did so far. So this is how the condition is. This is the room. I would rate the room something around 8.5 out of 10. This is the cupboard. Like our riding gears are here. I'll focus it. Our riding gears are here. Big akka. So now we are going to have the breakfast. Probably I think I have to lube my chains, but that's not an issue here. Everything is fine, no problem with the lubing and all. Now we are leaving to Mulayangiri, followed by they said there's some falls out here. See you on the road. Now we have started the ride and this is how my easy double stand hako. Double stand hako. Beautiful, isn't it? Car start ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಕಣೋ ಪಾಪ. Just check this out. This is top class. Super. अच्छी गाड़ी ना मेरे की. This is top class, guys. And this is top class. Whatever you like in the comment section. This is our Karnataka. Chikmagalur. Man, just look that. Look, check this out. Isn't that great? If you can check, guys, there is some kind of waterfalls out there. I'll try to zoom it. Check this. We'll be heading towards that point as well. Small waterfalls. Guys, enjoy the time lapse right now. There you go. 1, 2, 3.